Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn on all marketing emails Alibaba application on computer. So how to turn on all marketing emails Alibaba application on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Alibaba application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Alibaba. Just move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are many options. Tap this profile icon. Here a scrolling menu will appear like this. And then tap the account menu. Many menu options will appear like this. Tap the email preferences menu. Here it is in the email preferences menu. Scroll down. In the All Marketing Emails section, tap to turn it on. The function of turning on this feature is to activate all marketing emails from Alibaba and allow users to receive the latest offers, promos, industry trends, and product recommendations from suppliers. So that's it, tutorial how to turn on all marketing emails Alibaba application on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.